Warning: viewer discretion is advised. Video contains overuse of the words love and adore. Also, if you are not into handbags, this video is not for you. Otherwise, enjoy.
Hi everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and right now I'm getting ready to take inventory of what I currently have in my purse collection. So if you are a purse lover, a purse addict, a purse collector, a purse curator, like I said, a person that just appreciates purses, then keep watching this channel. I'm about to go in my closet, take all of my purses out. I'm going to categorize them by brand, and I'm gonna see how many I have. And I have this rule that if I have more than my age, it's time to get rid of some stuff. If it's more than 48, I'm getting rid of some things. If it's right at 48, I'm still getting rid of some things. But we're gonna just go ahead, take stock of what we have. If you need to do this, hopefully this video will be encouraging to you. Go ahead, if you need to get rid of some things, go ahead and take inventory. That's the best way to start. Pull everything out, see what you have, see what you're using, see what you're not using, and maybe you can bless someone else. You can give some things away. If you need a few extra dollars, maybe you can sell some things. So I'm gonna kind of take stock, and maybe I might upload some things on my POSHMARK account because I haven't done that in a while. So we're just gonna play it by ear and see what happens. Keep watching. We're just gonna dive right in, and yeah, let's just do this. It covers almost my entire bed, as you can see, and the count is 45 handbags. I'm starting by showing you the Coach collection first. I'm starting with the contemporary pieces, the ones that I've got most recently, and then the ones that I thrifted and are vintage. So this is the one that I recently got, which is the Cali fold over clutch. And then I have my two Parker bags, which I love. And then I have the Willis bag. And I did get a contemporary strap from Coach. I ordered that online to go with it, and it has the little Rexy, which is their little mascot now. But I have that, but I did thrift that one. And then I have this thrifted gray one and this thrifted saddlebag. But I really love all of my Coach bags. They are phenomenal. The leather wears really well on them. Next in my collection are my John Romaine bags. These are all vintage bags from like 70s and 60s. And I just really love them. I have thrifted these from the flea market, from consignment shops, and from Goodwill. And I just really love these bags. I just like the leather. They have really held up over time. You can see they're in really good condition. Even the straw bags are in good condition. The least expensive one that I got was this one from Goodwill, and I got that one for $3.60. These are a little bit older, and as you can see, they're in really great condition, but these are the ones that are not straw are very heavy, and so I don't carry them regularly, but I do carry them when I just want to kind of be different and make a statement. So those are my John Romaine handbags. Next in my collection are the, you got it, the ducks, my Dooney and Burke. So right now I only have 3. Over the years I have thrifted tons. Had I kept them all, I'd probably have 40 Dooney and Burke handbags, but right now I only have 3. I've sold quite a few, but I could not part with these. These are ones that I really like the most. I just love this vintage one. It's a crossbody, like a saddle bag. I just love this one. And then this one is the satchel, the Florentine satchel. I love that bag. This is in the mid-size, the medium, I believe, or maybe the small, I'm not sure. But I just love the whip stitching on this handle. So that one, and then this tote. I just love this. This is the Isla Morada Dover tote, and I just adore that. Or I believe it's called Isla Morada, one or the other, but I just really love these bags. So these are the only Dooneys that I have in my collection. So the next grouping of bags that I have are by Henri Bendel, and I collected these just within the last several months. I believe I started collecting in November. When I found out that they were getting ready to close down for good, I wanted to make sure that I got my hand on a few really nice pieces. One I got secondhand. This is the only one that I got secondhand. The rest I got brand new, and I love them all and have carried them all. The Studio drawstring bag is a really nice bag for on the go, and I just love my About Town, All About Town tote. I just love this. This is eye-catching, and this is another favorite of mine. This is the convertible Jet Setter backpack, and I absolutely adore it, and I had to get this little bee charm to go with it, but I adore this. I love them all, and I have carried them all. So my next grouping are my Amazon bags. These are bags that I bought on Amazon as alternatives to some luxury brand bags. Like the first couple are like alternatives to Chanel. Like this is an alternative to the Chanel reissue bag, and this is in the jumbo size, and I absolutely love the Camilla print on it. This one is a nice alternative to the Chanel boy bag. This one to the Hermes bag. I just love this one. This is just a cute little kind of novelty bag. This one is an alternative to the hobo bag, and I believe it was called, if I'm not mistaken, it was called, what was that bag? I know it's a hobo style crossbody bag, but I'll have to check back on that. And this was a alternative to the Chanel PVC purse. But all of these are really good bags, and they're holding up extremely well, so I love those. This next grouping are a few of my thrifted bags. Either I thrifted them from Goodwill or consignment shops, and these are bags that I've had the longest since I've first started doing YouTube videos. A lot of these I've had, so if you've seen some of my earlier videos, the videos that I first uploaded, you might have seen some of these. But we have our Etienne Anye or Agner bag, which I love. I just cannot part with this bag because of the beautiful weaving in it, and I just like how it opens here and you still have the zip, and it's a really great crossbody, and I just love carrying this bag, and the leather is in excellent condition. This one is a Jane Yu bag, and I like it because of the artwork. It reminds me of Marc Chagall's paintings and artworks, and I like the little kiss locks, so this is a really cute bag. I have this more as a collector's piece. I have not really carried this bag, though I need to. I mean, I have some other Jane Yu bags, but I've sold those. This one is one of my favorite bags. I just love the little flicks of gold in here. This is a Stuart Weitzman bag, and this is a vintage bag, and it's in excellent condition. The leather on this is phenomenal, and this is one of my best finds. This was only $3.60, and you can see it is Stuart Weitzman, made in Spain, leather interior, and the outside is like suede with a texturized kind of flex in there, and I absolutely love it. And the hardware on here is excellent condition. It's brass hardware, and the strap is leather and suede. Just really nice bag, so I do like that one. This one is another interesting novelty type bag, and you can still, I believe, order from this company online. I've done a review on this bag. If you'll check out my playlist of handbags, look under repurposed bags, and you'll see more about that particular bag. This one is a Ona Ehrlich bag, and this is one of my first thrift finds. I love the leather on this. It's a nice slouchy hobo bag. I got this at a consignment store for like 27 bucks. And this bag is still being produced in different colors on her site, so you need to check that out. This one I got at a flea market, and I just love it. This is like a, kind of reminds me of like a Jamaican Rastafarian style market bag, but it has the leather drawstring here. And I did a trade with a lady when I got this bag, and I just adore it. This is a bag that I really carry a lot in the summertime. This one is a Sharif bag, and I just like that kind of 80s, 70s vibe about this bag. Crescent shape, really nice leather, and I adore that. This is one of my favorite bags. This is a Bagolini bag, and I just adore it. It's great for traveling. It's extremely lightweight, and I carry this the most. And I like how you can slip this over your luggage. You just unzip it here and slip it over the luggage handle, and you are on the go. So I absolutely adore this bag. But those are just some thrifted bags that I've kept and could not get rid of. With this grouping, we're getting down to the last of the few bags that I have to share with you guys in my collection. The first two are a couple that I got off POSHMARK, and I got them brand new. POSHMARK is a great place to go shopping. I love this one because of the bamboo handle, and I've done reviews on each of these bags. As I said earlier, just check out my handbag playlist if you want to get more information on each individual bag. But this is a Brahmin bag, and I believe this is called the convertible, because it does come with a crossbody strap, and I absolutely love this bag. It's one of my favorite styles that Brahmin makes, and I did have one in a lighter color, but I did not wear it with much, so I sold that one and got one in this darker color, not pecan, I believe. But I really love this color on that one. So the next one, these you have probably seen in my most recent one about my sentimental bags. These are gifts from friends. This is a Patricia Nash. This is a vintage bag, that velvet that a friend of mine gave me, the same one that gave me this one, got this one for me. And then this is just a really nice Italian made leather bag in the kind of Grace Kelly style. And then the only Kate Spade that I own, and it also comes with a crossbody strap. So those are my brands that I did not have multiple of, and I really love them all. These three bags are kind of a large oversized bags. The first one I am currently carrying, and this was just a gem of a bag to find. I got this one at Ross. It's all leather, it's Italian made, and I got it because it reminded me so much of the LV Artsy bag. It has that same kind of whip stitch handle, very nice with the little hanging bag. It's like a hobo style, but I absolutely love this bag, and it was in my price range, and it was a good replacement for the Artsy. This one I got at a boutique, and the money and proceeds went back to help sustainable living in, I believe it was Nigeria in Africa. But a really nice bag, love that. I left this one out of my Amazon grouping, but this is one that I got from Amazon, which is a good alternative to the Raja tote that Gucci makes. And so yeah, those are three large kind of bags that I have. This last set, and this is it guys, this is all 45 bags now, are my clutches. So I have this vintage magazine clutch that you've seen me style in some of my thrifting videos. I'll just say White House Black Market clutch. I love this clutch right here. It's just sparkles. I like how the light catches on those little beads. The next one is one that was also in my, I called it my upcycling video on bags. This is made for magazines, and it's just a nice clutch. It can also convert to a shoulder bag because it does have attachable chain strap. And then this one is a vintage clutch, and I love that cute little colorful circles. And this one also can convert to a shoulder bag because it comes with a chain that you can snap out of place. But I really love this bag, and I thrifted that for like $3. So thrifted, all of these were thrifted bags, thrifted clutches, but I just think they add a pop of statement to your wardrobe. And that is my collection. Now all of my bags are back in the closet as I normally keep them. The only thing different is I left most of them out of their dust bags. So as you can see, I can see them better. The only two that are left in dust bags were my two Parker bags, and I know that that's what they are. And then my other bags are out so that I can see them, and maybe I'll use them more. And I try to keep my bags in high rotation, but I do have my favorites that I use a lot. So that is it. Thank you for coming along on this take inventory of my purse collection video, guys. I love sharing these type of things with you. I'm hoping it will motivate others who are possibly purse addicts or purse collectors to take inventory of what you have. It's good to every now and then go through your closet, see what you have, and see what you may need to keep or get rid of. So you've seen my count is 45. So I've met my goal. I've kept my purses at my age or below. And now I need to consider what I might need to let go. And to be honest with you, I'm considering letting go 2 handbags, which are 2 of my Henri Bendel bags, believe it or not. And I know I only recently acquired them, but there are 2 that I have not really been carrying that much. So I might be uploading those up on my POSHMARK closet on my POSHMARK app. So check me out on POSHMARK. Maybe in the next couple of months you might see those bags. My POSHMARK account is Noble Artisan. I haven't uploaded anything recently, so everything in my closet is sold out. But like I say, I might be departing with those. But as always, remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know if you are a purse collector, purse connoisseur, purse curator, whatever you want to call it. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have departed with some of your bags, what were the ones that you let go and why? So let's create a dialogue. I'll talk to you soon, and take care. Bye.